Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the cross-reference artifact, which is basically a lookup table that can be used in your integrations. And the example we'll use is to convert a two-digit country code, so the ISO 3166 two-character code, to the country name. And if you search the internet for country code CSV, because we can use a CSV as the source for our cross-reference, we'll take a look at the two-character code and the colloquial name that I found on Kaggle. So just do a search and you can find it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the CSV file as a zip file, and there it is. And I'll come over here and I can unzip, and you see I've already done that, so I've actually got this a couple times. But here is your CSV file. So let's go back into Designer, let's come down here and let's click cross-reference, and let's call it country code. Oh, and in the project, sorry, we'll put it in this current project that we're in. And we're going to import from CSV. It doesn't matter which one, these are the same. Now we need to set up, specify what the CSV file looks like. So I've got commas separating my values and carriage return for new line. And there are headers, true. So let's create this. And you can see that it created a cross-reference, and these are the columns, so that's nice, and we're done. Now let's go use it in an integration. So hello cross-ref, create, and again we'll put a scheduler here as we've done before. Again, this just allows us to test using the test button. We're not going to activate this. And in order to use a cross-reference, you access it through a map function. So there's my map. Let's expand this. Let's click on function, and let's look for cross. All right, there's our cross-reference. So now we need to configure how we're going to use this particular cross-reference in this map component. So we're going to use the country code one, and for an input, I'm going to pass in the two-character code, and for the output, let's just take one output. Let's just take the country common column response. And what I can do is let's just create a variable here, country, and let's drag that. And for the two-digit code, let's set a value. Let's try AF. AF should return Afghanistan. Click save, and now we can test this. And the country that was returned by the cross-reference is Afghanistan. So we've now created a cross-reference artifact using a CSV file, and then we used it in integration and are able to get the country based on a two-character country code. Thank you.